Archie, I did my homework. Good job, Vicky. I'm giving you an A+. Yes. I am so lucky. I finished the project too. Oh, my food. Holly, that's an F. An F? Again? Where's my pencil case? This backpack is like a black hole. Holly, chill. Here, you can use my organizer. Wow, it fell into the bottomless backpack. Whoops. Oh no, we have to bring it back. Got it. How does she do that? Cover an old folder in different shades of cardboard. Make a pocket out of decorative paper and glue it into a notebook. Glue different sizes of envelopes into the notebook. Add a zip folder. Glue on stickers and put sticky notes inside. Fill the pockets with school supplies. Decorate the cover with cardboard clouds. Thanks! And there's a candy bar! Wow, Vicky! Your new top is wonderful! The color is gorgeous! Hi! I have the same top! We're twinning! Ew. Oh no! I gotta fix it! I want to be unique! Guys, what do you think of my new pins? Fill a printed glossy picture with a 3D pen. Remove the plastic with the imprinted picture after it hardens. Glue a pin back on. Make a bunch of different pins. Wow! Awesome! What about me? Stupid top! Oh man! It's stuck! Hi everyone! Holly! What's up with your backpack? What are they laughing at? Oh no! Pen ink stained everything! Here's a tissue! Thank you! What do I do about the stain? I know! I'll use this unicorn! Thanks! Okay! Huh? Is it gum now? Loser! My last pencil! It's so short, I can't write with it! Holly, give it to me! I know what to do! No peeking! Your new pencil is ready! Cut the excess off a bubble bottle cap. Fill the bottle with glitter. Pour in glycerin and water. Close it up. Drill a hole in the tip of a thick pen. Attach it to the bottle and put in a short pencil. Attach a charm to the top. Wow! Not a single answer! It's an F, Holly! Mr. Archie! How come? What about your test? Wow! Amazing! You deserve an A+. I'll keep the pencil. I've always wanted one like this. That was awkward. I don't have a pencil now. I'm grading tests. Why should I waste my time when they all failed anyway? Oh no! My stamp is messed up. It's over. How do I go on? Whoa! He's so upset. I know how to help him. Great idea. What about the test? Stop crying! This is for you! A new ring stamp! Paint a wooden piece red and glue on a grade. Attach a ring to the back. Wow! It's wonderful! I can give out F's again! Amazing! What? An F? I object! Fine! A perfect score! Thank you! You have to fit so much stuff in a backpack! Oh man! The headphones don't fit anymore! I gotta pick it all up again! I'll put my headphones in a special case! Make a backpack from foam paper! Add a cap and a Velcro fastener. Glue on straps and a decorative heart. Put in the headphones. And put it up on my belt. It's mine. And this. Wow, nice case. Cute case. Hi, everyone! Hi, Vicky! Where's your tie? I forgot it! But I have a much better accessory! Put 2 identical brooches on a chain. Add different chains. Ties are so wow! Wow! So stylish! I'm on time! My tie's undone! I have a pen! A box cutter! I can handle it! Why isn't it working? This is so sad! I know how to help! You can use my sharpener! Make a cookie base from light clay. Attach a pencil sharpener and cover it with the other clay cookie half. Wrap the edges of the sharpener in a different shade of light clay and let it harden. Holly! Thanks! I'll give it a shot. The pencil's too short. Oh, Holly! Here's a pencil. Thank you. Oh no! Everyone is having fun between classes. Holly, class started already. Leave me alone. Huh? Mr. Archie! I'm taking your phone away. I've got nothing. Where's the toy? It's just a notebook. Cut straws into pieces. Make a maze on a notebook cover. Put in beads and cover it with a clear plastic. A maze notebook! My new water bottle is so handy! Attach felt to polyethylene foam using double-sided tape. Use thicker felt for the bottom. Make a tube. Cut feet and a beak out of red felt. Glue on felt wings and a muzzle. Attach straps with a fastener and put it in the bottle. Whoa! Let's switch! Sure! Thanks! The water cooler's not working! I'm super thirsty! There's not a single drop left! Reading is so fun! Recess! I need a bookmark! Make a donut out of polymer clay and put it on a big paper clip. Add glaze and sprinkles. Also make a cupcake and a pretzel. Bake it in an oven at 350 degrees for 4 minutes. I'll go with a donut. My donut can make a nice bookmark as well. Where are my glasses? What a lucky loss! I can easily use my cheat sheets. Vicky, share! There you go! Glasses! Found them! Whoops! Are you cheating? I'm giving you an F! You, Holly! I am so unlucky! I could eat! Wow! Pizza! Really? What am I having for lunch? I'll pretend it's pizza too! Attach a piece of cardboard to an old lunchbox. Mix 2 parts acrylic paint with 1 part plaster. Stir it well and coat the cardboard with it. Let it dry and draw a message with chalk. Actually, it's just a salad. Want a slice? Thanks! Have my salad! You are so kind! This is what friends are for!